In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the API ms-win-crt-Runtime l1.1.0.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is to download the Visual C++ redistributable package into a Windows 11. So if you haven't installed that yet into our Windows, then simply open a browser, go to the Windows search bar and open a browser. Click on it under the best match. Now I'm going to share to you the download link so that you can get directly into the page. This will be shared in the description box below. So scroll down and you will find the download link depending for the system type of your Windows. So I suggest that you need to check the system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and simply type system info. Click on it under the best match. Here you'll find your system type. So I am a 64-bit PC. So in your case, you can check that from here and then click the download link corresponding to the architecture of your Windows. And as you can see, the downloaded file will be placed in here. Click on the folder icon and then wait for this to load. Then double click on that file or that setup file. Now, in my case, I have already installed this, but in your case, just simply click on the install button. Now, if in case you already installed this into your Windows, then we just need to repair it. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Locate all the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package that you have installed in your Windows and you can find it from here. Then we just need to repair each one. Right click and then select the option change. Click on the repair button. Right click, click on change and click on the repair button. And wait for this to be repaired. So you can do that for each Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package that you have installed in your Windows. Okay? And if it asks you to restart your Windows, just simply click on the restart button. Now, the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. So to download and install the latest updates, we need to click on the start button and then go to settings. Now, from the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and click the button check for updates. To download and install the latest updates for your Windows, simply click on that. Now, once you're up to date, close this window and move to the next method. The next method is we can perform the system file checker scan. So how can we do that? Go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. On the right pane, you'll find the option Run as Administrator. Click on that. So I will share all the commands in the description box below so that you can copy and paste directly. So here, we have DESFC command. Just simply copy and paste it. Control-C to copy. And then Control-V in the elevated command prompt. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once it is completed, then just simply type exit in the command prompt window and you can consider restarting your Windows afterwards. Then go to the Windows search bar again and type cmd. Click the option Run as Administrator in the right pane. And copy the next command, which will again be posted in the description box below a DSM command. Control-C to copy. And then Control-V and hit enter. So what you can do, you just need to wait for patiently for the process to be done. So once this is completed, then just simply type exit in the command prompt window. And again, do not forget to restart your Windows afterwards. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video.